To get started, click on Add Property. You will be presented with a Select Property Type dialog. Click on URL prefix and enter your domain name. And this domain name has to be your Shopify store domain name. Make sure you prefix it with HTTPS :/ and then enter the domain name. I'm going to use cart.guru as an example. Click on continue. It will take a moment to verify your property, and then a dialog box will be presented which will ask you to verify ownership. To verify the ownership of your store in Google Search Console, go down a little bit, open up HTML tag and copy this tag. After this, go to your Shopify store, click on Online Store. This will open up the Themes section. Click on Actions, click on Edit Code. Go to theme.liquid. You will find a head tag. Scroll a little bit down. You will see a lot of meta tags, meta character set, meta name, so on and so forth. Search for a meta tag called theme color and then paste the copied verification string along with that. An important point to note here is that you don't need to necessarily paste this string right in this line. It can depend on your theme. Make sure the meta tag is pasted along with any other meta tags around. For example, I could have deleted this and pasted it a little bit higher. It doesn't matter. The important thing here is that meta tag is pasted amongst other meta tags. And then click on Save. Now your Shopify store is ready to be verified by Google Search Console. Go back to Google Search Console and click on Verify. It will take a moment to verify, and then you will be presented with a dialog box which says Ownership Verified. Click on Go to Property. At the moment, you will see the data is being processed and Google says to check back in a day or so. In meanwhile, what we can do is submit a sitemap. So if you go to the sitemap section, there is nothing in here. To create a sitemap, go back to your store, open the app section, click on Visit Shopify App Store, click on Search Apps and search for SEO Doctor. SEO Doctor is one of the apps which allows you to do a lot of stuff, including SEO fixes and submitting sitemap. So let's open SEO Doctor and click on Add App. Once you do that, it will take a moment to install itself. In the next screen, click on Install App, and then you will be presented with an onboarding screen. Here, in the step 1, it is syncing your product, syncing all your collections. You can click on Continue in background. In the next step, it is just telling you what all it can do. So, product auditor, collection auditor, meta title, and other stuff. Click on Continue. Here, what you can do is you can upgrade to a paid account or a paid plan, which will allow you to do a lot of other stuff like autopilot, which will fix your SEO issues for you. You can click on Upgrade later. In the next screen, you can go and have a tour of the whole app. I'm going to skip it for now, and then click on Sitemap. It says Google Search Console not connected, so let's connect it first. Go to Connect, go down a little bit, you'll see Google Search Console, click on Connect, and then in the next screen, you'll be presented with all your email IDs which you are logged into Google. I'm going to hide these email ID for now, and I'm going to select the right account. In the next screen, Google asks you for a permission to access the Search Console data. Please allow it. and you will be presented with connected to cart.guru. Scroll down, you will see that cart.guru is connected now. Go back to sitemap menu once again. Now the message is changed. It says the sitemap for store hasn't been submitted yet. Click on submit and it says sitemap submitted successfully. Go back to Google Search Console screen and click refresh. You will see that sitemap.xml is submitted and status is success. Go back to SEO Doctor sitemap screen and click on sitemap once again to give it a quick refresh. It will try to fetch latest statistics from Google. In this screen, you can see number of web pages submitted, 3, because I have 3 products in the store. Number of image pages which are submitted, 2. Number of other pages like about us, contact us pages if you have. And within few days or few weeks, Google will index it and then present it to their search user. I hope this was useful. In the next videos, we will cover how to fix your meta titles, meta description, and other SEO issues.